Actually, I grew up in Dubai. मैं 10 साल की उम्र में my parents had shifted there, so मैंने और मेरी बहन दिया ने we spent about 8 years there. And Dubai is really an international fashion hub जहाँ Indian, Pakistani, European, American सारे styles sort of blend into one nice melange. So I think it's a very trendy city, right up there on the map with London or New York. And I'm happy that our label Roshni Chopra Design is going to be in Dubai. So I'm very excited क्योंकि जो label हमने launch किया है रोशनी चोपड़ा design, that's going to be in Dubai at their store. और I think it's a great place to be. It's like putting your label on the map and putting Indian fashion on the map. I've always been inspired by fashion. पहले मैं अपना सारा पैसा fashion पे खर्चती थी. I used to spend all my money on fashion, and now my husband jokes that at least now you're making clothes that other people are buying, so you're earning something from it as well. But it's always been a passion. It's a way of life. It's a way of expression for me. It's a way of saying who you are today without opening your mouth. So yeah, I think it's a second nature for me. And for every girl. And if you see, India is really catching up with trends as well. People are becoming a lot more experimental, and people are happy to be fashion forward, not just play safe. So it's an exciting time to be a designer.
I guess fashion is all about, opening your closet and try to look not different, but yeah, try to look nice and, get together everything and do something with your own, set of stuff, add something new to it, maybe just a piece of jewelry sometime, maybe just a piece of, something like a shrug or, something. It's not necessarily means that you go and shop something, upside down and change your wardrobe. Totally means like rearranging your wardrobe and rearranging yourself in the, in the same clothes, and that's what fashion means to me.
And which Indian designer you look forward to? I mean, you really...
Actually, not anybody in particular. I guess I like a mix of everything. As in, like, if I have to pick up something, I won't pick up just like a full set of somebody. I might, mix and match stuff. So if I have to wear something for my wedding or something, then it'll be like the typical ones like Sabyasachi or the blouse, because it's just like most Indian and authentic look, and that's it.